in this video, I'm sharing 5 ways that you can use LinkedIn for your job search. My first job out of university was a customer service representative in a telecommunications call center, and I did not like that job. Worked my way up and I ended up becoming a team manager. After a few years, I realized I wanted more and got a job in recruitment. I got that job through LinkedIn. Eventually, I relocated to Canada, and upon 2 weeks of my arrival in Toronto, I got my first job through LinkedIn. About a year and a half later, I got another job still in recruiting through LinkedIn. I got my current job in talent acquisition also through LinkedIn. So as you can tell, I do know a thing or two about how to use LinkedIn to successfully land jobs. Welcome back to my channel, and a special welcome if you're new. My name is Nicole Nyasha and I share career-related content. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of my content. I post career-related videos every week. There are 2 main ways that you can search for a job on LinkedIn. One is taking an active approach where you're the one that is actively pursuing opportunities. And the other way is to take a passive approach where you put certain things into place so that jobs and opportunities come your way. Let's talk about the active approach first. One of the ways that you can actively pursue jobs is by looking for hidden jobs. You can do this by searching specific hashtags and then filtering through those hashtags to find those that are appropriate and relevant to your industry and the type of jobs that you're searching. So here are a list of hashtags that you can search. If you've gone through hashtags and you've identified an opportunity that's of interest to you, you can then go ahead and reach out directly to the person that has posted it, or you can take it a step further. You can check which company they're working for, go to their website, see if there's something that has been posted on their careers page, or you can look up recruiters in that company and reach out to them as well. A lot of times companies have jobs that come up and they don't really want to post or advertise these jobs publicly for a lot of different reasons, but they might have specific hiring managers or team managers post these jobs to their network with the intention of attracting the right candidate. And so instead of relying on the traditional way of looking for active job postings, searching hashtags is actually a great way to find a job. Another active way to use LinkedIn for your job search is a more common approach, which is to search for open postings. Now, to do this, you simply have to go to the Jobs tab on LinkedIn, put in the type of job that you're looking for. LinkedIn also has different filters that you can make use of. For example, if you're looking for a job that is fully remote, or if you're looking for hybrid work model, if you're looking for roles that are in specific locations, you can filter it based on different things. You can also set alerts, and I highly recommend that you do this. That way, the moment a job is posted, you get an email notification and you can apply right away. When you apply for jobs through LinkedIn, there'll typically be 2 options, and this is based on how the employer has set it up. So the posting might either take you to the company's external career site, or it might allow you to apply right from the LinkedIn platform and share your LinkedIn profile with the company. And so it's so important, if you're going to select this option, that your LinkedIn profile is up to date and it's aligned with whatever is on your resume, because at some point the company might ask for your resume. The third way is by proactively reaching out to hiring managers. And this is how I personally got my first job in Canada. So I recommend that you come up with a company bucket list, maybe 10 to 15 companies that ideally you would want to work for. Then go visit each and every single one of these companies' profiles. Look up managers in these companies based on your area of work. So basically what I did, I went to look for recruitment managers, messaged them, we got on a call. One thing led to the next, and after a couple of interviews, I got the position. I know this is easier said than done. I will acknowledge that it's not easy to just message somebody and, talk to them about something along the lines of job searching. It actually takes a lot of courage. But my encouragement to you is you're not losing anything from reaching out to these people or messaging them. It's either two or actually three things will happen. It's either they don't respond to you, or they will respond to you and say yes, or they'll respond to you and say no, or not at this point in time. Either way, you're not really losing anything. So just go for it. So we've discussed 3 ways you can actively search for jobs on LinkedIn. Let's discuss ways you can passively search. The most effective way is by optimizing your LinkedIn profile. I've been able to get 3 jobs from LinkedIn because my LinkedIn profile was fully optimized. In fact, when I made the transition from a call center environment when I was a team manager to recruitment, it was a recruiter that reached out to me because my LinkedIn profile was fully optimized. And literally every other day, I kid you not, at least once a week, I get messages from hiring managers, from recruiters, asking if I'm open to new opportunities, and that's because my LinkedIn profile is fully optimized. Recruiters and hiring managers are on LinkedIn a lot conducting searches, and how LinkedIn works on the back end is somewhat similar to how YouTube works or how Google works. And so if you were to search how to bake a pie, Google or YouTube are going to present you with so many different options depending on how that content is optimized and all of those technicalities. LinkedIn works the same way. If I was looking for a data scientist, for example, who has experience using Tableau and various tools, I will simply go onto LinkedIn, put in the keyword, which is data scientist, and then I can put in the different skills and tools, languages, location. I can literally build my dream or ideal candidate and then just hit the search button, and LinkedIn will present me with several options. And the way in which you can appear in these searches is for you to fully optimize your profile. What does it mean to optimize your profile? Making sure you have the relevant keywords, your headline, your skills. I have a separate video that walks you through step by step how you can fully optimize your LinkedIn profile to attract recruiters, so check that out. I also provide personalized one-on-one LinkedIn coaching, so if you'd love to get on a call and have me review your profile and walk you through every single section and build it together with you, check out the link in the description box. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile is a great way to job search if you're not in a desperate situation where, you're entertaining the idea of a new job, you want to hear what's out there, you want recruiters to reach out to you, but you're not necessarily in need or in search of a new job tomorrow. Another way to search for a job passively is by building your personal brand. Start creating content and posting about different topics that are related to the kind of opportunities that you're pursuing. So you can either create new content, you can curate content. That means you're taking content that other people have created, you're modifying it, adding your own personal touch, and then posting that. So I would recommend for this that you follow the different thought leaders in whatever area that you're trying to pursue, leave meaningful comments on their posts, and that's how you start building a community, you start growing your network, and once you've grown your network to a certain extent, opportunities stop coming your way because you're having conversations with people. And so those are 5 ways that you can use LinkedIn for your job search. I hope you found this video insightful. If you haven't already, make sure you download the interview cheat sheet guide to help you level up in your interviewing, and check out this video to help you with your overall job search. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.